Good afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all friends. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. With the historic arrival of the holy relics of Tathagata Buddha for public exposition drawing near, the LG of the UT of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, chaired a high-level review meeting to assess preparedness and overseas arrangement for the upcoming event. During the meeting, the LG conducted a comprehensive review of arrangements related to cleanliness, sanitation, security, traffic management, parking, drinking water, toilet facilities, power supply, transportation and other critical infrastructures at all the designated venues and sites. Emphasizing the significance of the occasion, he stressed the need for meticulous planning and seamless coordination among all the departments to ensure a safe, orderly and spiritually fulfilling experience for devotees and visitors. Ladakhi entrepreneur Thinley Norbu has won the gold medal at the World Cheese Championship held in country Brazil, securing international recognition for his traditional product Yak Churpi and placing Ladakh's indigenous dairy practices in the global spotlight. The award, announced earlier this week, places a spotlight on the Himalayan region's age-old pastoral practices with Yak Churpi, a hardened cheese made from this yak milk, earning acclaim for its distinctive quality and resilience traits shaped by the high altitude ecosystem of Ladakh. Officials in the UT administration described the achievement as a breakthrough movement for local dairy products seeking a foothold in international markets. Rudra Gaud, IAS Secretary Animal Husbandry of UT Ladakh, said the honor underscores the untapped potential of indigenous produce and called for a shift towards value addition and structured branding. The historic city of Leh has started wearing a festive look ahead of the sacred exposition of holy Buddha relics in the city from May 2 to May 14 in pursuance of the direction of LG Vinay Kumar Saxena. A comprehensive beautification drive is being carried out across the Leh city to enhance its aesthetic appeal and create a vibrant environment for residents and tourists. As a part of the initiative, the Lieutenant Governor has directed the beautification of Leh main market to improve its overall appearance and provide a welcoming experience to visitors. Key measures undertaken include the plantation of decorative flowers, artistic enhancement through creative artwork and wall graffiti, and placing flower pots along roadsides. The initiative assumes added significance in the view of upcoming sacred exposition of the holy relics of the Buddha, which is expected to witness participation from thousands of the Buddhist devotees from across Ladakh, along with ambassadors, bureaucrats, public representatives and members of the Buddhist organization. The beautification drive is aimed at presenting Leh as a clean, organized and culturally vibrant city, especially in the view of upcoming major events. Sustained efforts are being made to make Ladakh as one of the most attractive and visitor-friendly destinations in the country. This said by the LG. A civil defense air raid, or you can say blackout mock exercise, was successfully conducted at Hadri Mohalla in Kargil to assess emergency preparedness and interagency coordination during stimulated crisis situation. During the drill, a scenario involving an air raid and subsequent blackout was enacted in which 5 persons were declared dead and 5 others injured. All affected individuals were swiftly rescued and evacuated by response teams, demonstrating coordinated action and timely response. The exercise also witnessed active participation from Apada Mitra, 2T trainers, AI Mehndi Scouts, UT DRF personnel, police and fire and emergency services along with other supporting agencies. The team carried out search and rescue operations, casualty evacuation and emergency response protocols in a systematic manner. Officials also stated that the objective of the mock drill was to enhance readiness, improve coordination among different agencies and educate the public of the Ladakh on safety measures during emergencies such as air raids and blackout situations. Local residents also observed the drill, gaining awareness about emergency response mechanism and importance of the cooperation during crisis situation. 12 villages in Leh subdivision were brought under the certified organic fold with the distribution of PGS India certificates under the LAC and PKVY in a move aimed at consolidating Ladakh's transition to sustainable agriculture. Officials said the inclusion of these villages under the certification framework would enable farmers to assess better market linkages while adhering to verified organic standards. The exercise forms part of the ongoing Mission Organic Development Initiative of Ladakh, which seeks to convert Ladakh into a fully organic region through phased certification and cluster-based farming. During the interaction, farmers were briefed on certification protocols, compliance requirements, and the scope. Listen carefully, and the scope for value addition in organic produce. District Agriculture Officer Extension Shakil ur Rahman, along with the subject matter specialist Manzoor Ahmad and Agriculture Extension Officer Sring Dolkar, outlined the long-term benefits of certification, including improved price realization and enhanced credibility in national and niche markets. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.